Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. Jamaicans are being urged to monitor their bank accounts in the new year as cyber criminals may be waiting to carry out attacks after gaining access to personal data. They're also being encouraged to start the year right by making a budget. Javon Keys reports.
Let's say you've cleared the holiday season with all your finances intact and no cyber threat. Well, it's not yet time to breathe a sigh of relief.
Your card might be cloned in December, but you might not see any kind of activities happening until January.
Gavin Dennis is a cybersecurity expert.
Now people might be on edge. They might be looking out for unusual things, checking their accounts regularly, doing things like that. But in January, people usually say, oh, okay, I'm low on funds. So, they start to just relax and they're not too worried because they think they don't have much money right now. And that's also when a lot of those activities will start to happen. Closer to the salary period for January, when the criminals know that a new set of money is going to come in, people have been relaxed for a while, that's when they will pull the trigger on some of these, the theft, and start to move money from people's accounts.
You are being encouraged to keep all transaction receipts, make note of where you used your card, and report any strange activity to the bank. Now is also the time for putting things in place to outline the plans for your money.
You have the discretionary side of the budget and you have the bare bone side of the budget.
Financial advisor at Sagicor, Fabian Gordon, says the budget needs to be realistic.
The bare bone budget is simply the minimum that you need to earn or to generate to survive. The light bill, the water bill, the internet bill, grocery, the loan if you have a loan, or the car payment. All of these stuff are necessary. And then you have the discretionary side of the budget, where these are stuff that you don't necessarily do on a monthly basis. Like, let's just say that you don't take a vacation every month, but it is always wise to save for the vacation.
He says it's even better if your revenue stream is diversified.
See how best you can do something to increase your income or your earning, or to create another source of income, so that you can use that income now to achieve or to do whatever it is that you want to do. And at that time, let's just say that that expense now disappear. It simply means that you would have another source of income that is now free, that you can grow from.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.